Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Cognizant Technical Assessment or technical interview or anything. If you are preparing for Cognizant Technical Round, then this video is going to be very much helpful for you because we are going to discuss about the latest and recent technical questions which will be common for cluster 1 and cluster 3. What's that? That is regarding HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So let me discuss that. Just before that, guys, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe. We have just moved our channel, main channel Techno UF, to this Techno UF. So just subscribe this and help us to make grow together. Okay, now let me discuss the question.
Hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
So this is the question. Actual question has been asked for Cognizant Technical Round. I hope this is not visible, but still I'm reading it for you. You have to create a feedback page where user will give feedback and you have to increase the count one by one. Let's say if user is giving 4 stars, then your text should be your rated 4 stars, and you have to include a class called star to all the span element, and also you have to write the logic to increase the count and to increase the highlight elements, and also you have to set the font size of all the stars to 2.5 rem. Let me discuss this in the actual screen. So this is the sample output. Okay, so you have to write this logic. If user is clicking on 3 star, then these 3 stars only being highlighted as yellow. Okay, and here also it's dynamically increasing or decreasing. If I click on 5 stars, then all the values are populated. 5 stars are yellow now and 5 is here. If I click on 1 star, then it is decreasing it to 1, and also 1 star is only highlighted. Okay, so this is the logic you have to write in JavaScript, and you have to write the CSS. Just one line you have to include, that is just set the font size for stars to 2.5 rem. Okay, nothing else. Now let me discuss all the tasks one by one. So first task is from HTML, and second task is from JavaScript, and third task is from CSS. Okay, so first task is to add a class called star to all the span element. Okay, and JavaScript, you have to write the logic to increase the count of stars and also populate the stars accordingly. Okay, third task from CSS is just give 2.5 rem font size to the star class. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let me discuss the question one by one from HTML, CSS, JavaScript. How much code do you have to write? Let me discuss that as well. So actually all the codes will be pre-populated in your code compiler. Just you have to include one thing. First task is to include all the star classes inside the span elements, right? You can do it directly in the HTML, but you can do in the JavaScript as well. So I have written in JavaScript to add all the classes to span. Okay, guys, before we moved, I want you to have the best prime materials for Cognizant, in which you will get real mock test, real communication assessment, real mock test for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, coding questions, SQL, computer fundamentals, all things like JavaScript, Java, Python, all clusters questions are available, and also game-based aptitude. All things you need to prepare for Cognizant or any other company, all are available at topmate.us/techno_uf. Please go through the link provided in the description box or in the comment section. It will be very much helpful. 6,000 plus people are preparing through that. Please, you also add there. Okay, now the second task is from JavaScript, so I'll do that from very beginning. So actually sometime you will have the pre-populated code, but sometime it will not be there. You have to write the full code from scratch. Okay, so at first what we have done, we have just selected all the span elements. So there are a lot of span there, right? 5 stars, so 5 span elements are present. So we have just stored all the span elements in the stars. Okay, and then we are constant rating text is equal to this. We are just getting the text element from the HTML. So this is the rating text, and we just got the access of this tag here. in the rating test variable. Okay, now add the class start to all span elements. This was the task, first task, right? So just go through all the element, all the indexes of the stars. Here we have already taken the all span classes, span elements. Now we are just going through all the span elements and going through all the indexes, then giving or adding the star class, nothing else. Okay, star dot class list dot add, and we are just adding the class, nothing else. You can directly write the class is equal to star in the HTML, but I'm doing it here. It's same. Okay, now whenever user will click, we are handling an event listener. Whenever user will click on a rating, then what will happen? So this will happen. Whenever user will click on star, then it will happen. Remove active class from all stars. Let's say already you have given 3 stars there. So at first you have to remove, right? Now if you want to change your mind, then you can click on here, you can click on here, you can click on here, but at first you have to remove the pre-populated areas, right? So just remove this way, stars dot for each, and just use this remove class, and it was the main task you have to do. Remove the task, remove the stars, then fill stars up to click star. Let's say you have clicked on second or third or fourth or fifth star, and accordingly it will run for that much time of that much time of loops. Okay, that means let's say if you have clicked on second star, then it will run for 2 times and it will highlight the stars. Okay, so here it just pasted all the stars from the CSS, and then it's just increasing its value. Let's say if you have clicked on second star, then it's storing 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that's why it's storing 0 value, so that's why we are increasing to 2. Okay, if you are clicking on 2, then it's storing as 1, but we are just increasing as +1, so it's storing 2. Okay, now we are just increasing the value in this way. Rating text dot text content, you rated this value star, we're just appending that value. Okay, so this will be replaced. I hope you understood. So nothing else, guys. So in style.css, I mean in CSS, you just have to include one line that is here. So this is the star class, and just add font size 2.5 rem. If you are writing CSS and HTML alone, then also you will get almost half marks. Okay, and just write the JavaScript, you will get full marks. Okay, and partial marks are also allowed, so please write however how much possible for you. If you just write this down now, so let me control R. Okay, if you are clicking on 4 stars, then you can see this is the output. If you write 5 stars, then it's already populated. So I hope you understood. Actually this type of questions will be asked. Now I want to show you something, guys. If you have any queries, then please comment down. I'll try to assist you there. Okay, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. So after your technical round, you will face technical interview, right? Also, if you are preparing for aptitude round, you have to face this type of game based aptitude round. If you want to prepare for interview, if you want to prepare for upcoming rounds, then please visit topmate.com/techno_uf or technouf.com. The link is provided in the description box. There you can see all the things for your upcoming preparations. Like if you want to give game based aptitude, if you want to give mock test for interview, mock communication assessment. Also, if you want to give mock test for coding round, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, all things are included there. Total 6,000 plus people have been preparing through these and they got success. So why not you? Please go through the link provided in the description box or in the comment section.